Good day, everyone. We were here some time ago to discuss fruits and vegetable. We spoke about the importance of fruits and vegetables in the diet. Today, we are going to talk more about vegetable because when we spoke about vegetable and fruit, it was just the importance of vegetables that we spoke about. Now, we are going to talk about the various types of vegetables we have. Before then, what are vegetables? Vegetables are plants or parts of plants that are edible. When we say edible, it means that are eatable. We have a lot of vegetables, but some are not edible, while some are edible. So we are going to concern ourselves with the ones that are edible. Now, the types of vegetables. The various groups of vegetables is the same thing as the type. The first group here are the roots vegetables. That is, we eat the root part of that type of vegetable. Now, beetroot. Some of us know beetroot, while some do not know. But if you go to where they sell vegetables, the grocery, you can get beetroot. We are very familiar with carrots. It's a type of root vegetable which is very rich in vitamin A. We are also familiar with ginger, and still we have some examples of root vegetables. Well, we're going to limit our examples to these ones. The next one are the tubers. Examples of tubers are Irish potatoes, which is very common, sweet potato, yams. We all eat yam, either by boiling, frying, or pounding. Then we have cocoyam. These are types of vegetables, and it's the group, they belong to the group of tubers. Number 3, we have bulbs. Some common examples are onions, shallots, leeks, spring onions, garlic, etc. Number 4, the leafy vegetables. We have lettuce, spinach, and etc. Then number 5, the brassicas. Examples are cabbage and cauliflower. Some people, they made the mistake of calling cabbage garbage. Please, the correct pronunciation is cabbage. When you say garbage, you are talking about refuse. But cabbage is very good for salad. You can eat it without making it, you can eat it raw like that. Then we have number 6, the pods and seeds. Examples are broad beans, okra, peas, and so on. Then number 7, we have the stems and shoots. Examples are asparagus, celery, bean sprouts, and so on. Number 8, fruiting. Cucumber, pumpkin, tomatoes, pepper, avocado, and so on. Now, when we say fruiting, this one, the plants, they produce fruits. Then we also have mushroom. Now, all these we have mentioned, they are types of vegetables. Now we're moving on to composition of vegetables. When we talk about composition, we are talking about the nutritive value that we can derive from vegetables. The first one is carbohydrate. They are present in form of starch, sugar, and cellulose. These are common in the roots and tubers. Now, the other time when we're talking about fruits and vegetables, we mentioned carbohydrate, and I remember I told you about the fibers in form of cellulose, the importance. The cellulose is a roughage. And when we talk about roughage, we're talking about, they have the ability of preventing constipation. Now, protein, pulses are rich in second class or incomplete protein. Pulses are rich in second class or incomplete protein. Then number 3, we have the vitamins. Vitamins A, B, and C are present but vary depending on the type of vegetable. Mineral salts, we have calcium, iron, and phosphorus. They are present in some vegetables. Water, depending on the type of vegetable, water is present in varying percentages. That is, it depends on that type of vegetable. The percentage of water you have in vegetable A might be different from vegetable B. Now, what are the qualities necessary for selection of vegetables? That is, points you can consider when you want to select your vegetables. Points to bear in mind. Number 1, they must be free from blemishes. They must be free from soil, especially the root vegetables. They must be even in size and shape. They must be even in size and shape. They must be firm. The color must show indication of freshness. So don't say because this one is very cheap, let me buy. You must consider the freshness of whatever you are purchasing. We can look through what we have here. And please, let's go back to number 8 under types of vegetables. Please, let's correct the spelling of our pumpkin here. It's pumpkin, not pumpkin. No G. So let me remove that. Now, I believe we all have the catering textbook. I want you to continue reading from where we stopped, so that next time when we come on air, we'll be able to explain further. Please make sure you make judicious use of this period. And I pray that the Almighty God will protect us. Please try to observe all the lockdown rules. Wash your hands. Use your face mask if you are going out. Keep social distancing. Stay safe. Thank you.